What's something people don't know about their toothbrushes? They can turn into germ magnets if you don't replace them often enough. Let's talk about toothbrushes. Did you know those bristles wear out and lose effectiveness over time? Plus, they can become a cozy home for bacteria. Gross, right? So, when should you replace it? Dental pros say every 3 to 4 months. But if your bristles look like they've had a rough day, swap them out sooner. The CDC's got your back on this one too. Need signs it's time for a change? Look for fraying bristles, bristles losing their stiffness, or if they're struggling to clean your teeth properly. And don't forget about those electric toothbrush heads. Change them every 12 weeks or sooner if needed. Oh, and after an illness like strep throat, definitely get a new brush. Kids mashing their brushes? Same deal. Recap time. Keeping your toothbrush fresh means better oral hygiene. So go ahead and give your toothbrush the boot regularly. Your smile will thank you. Catch you next time with more health tips. Keep smiling.